Hey YouTube, I've got a automatic garage door opener and it started to play up after about 13 years. You'd think they'd make things to last longer. In all fairness, I think it's the fact that we had a power surge that killed it. And I'll have to apologise for the video, we had some technical issues, so segments of the video didn't actually get recorded. But I think there's enough here to give you the idea of what needs to be done to replace the controller board in a BRD01 garage door controller. Let's have a look at it. This is how you tune I guess is as good a word as any, the remote into the garage door opener. Just got to lever this panel off. And that's a very sensitive button there. But to tune the remote, just need to press that little micro switch in there. When you press that, the yellow light will come on. Press the button. The green light will flash to say that it's recognised it. Press the micro switch again and then you can use the remote to control the door. Simple as that. I've got another remote here. I want to tune that one as well. Same deal. And doing another one again. I'm not sure how many remotes is the limit that you can tune into one controller, but we have 4 remotes set up on this controller. They each had to be tuned in individually, but they all work. As I say, I'm not sure what the limit is, but 4 certainly is no problem. One job I forgot to do on this when I did it, and that was to check the micro switches were set correctly. As it turns out, they're not, and as it turns out, you can't get to them from the outside. So we need to take this off the wall. Oh, we still can't get to them. It's got to come right off. Of course. Well, let that be a lesson. Make sure you get everything done before you put it together. I can't mention how many times I've learned that lesson. These boards control automatic gates as well as garage doors, and there's some micro switches and trim pots in there that need to be set accordingly, and I'd forgotten about that, so I had to reopen it and fix them. How long did it take to come down?
Well, I opened it, drove in, unloaded one of the thing out of the boot, and then it started to close before I could unload the other. So what's that? 3-4 minutes?
Oh, okay, that long.
Well, might be 2 minutes. I don't know. Had to drive up, drive in, unload. I only got one box out before it closed.
Okay, well I think that was the wrong one. I will try it again anyway. I'll put this back together because I can get to that trim box and that's all I need to touch. 2.
Yeah.
Forgot they were there.
Is it alright if that wire presses against the board, or does it have to be tucked in the side?
No. Well, it doesn't want to be jammed there.
Well, I hope it closed, so I think it would close by now.
Yeah, I think we've got a fair timing on it now. I just did that.
Oh.
So it's that trim pot that you got to move to adjust the timing on how long it stays up. Interesting, didn't know that. I've had the garage doors for 13 years. Well, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm sorry some of the footage didn't come out, but other parts do show how to open up the controller and remove the board. So I think I covered everything that needs to be covered. If you'd like to see more of my projects and videos, you can go to my channel or browse to my website. Until next time.